Hello, my name is Jason Hansen. I am the service manager for Valley Mitsubishi here in beautiful Longmont, Colorado. And I'd like to invite all new and existing Mitsubishi customers to come by and see our service department. We offer state-of-the-art facility as well as factory-trained technicians and original equipment parts specifically for your Mitsubishi. We do like to offer competitively priced maintenance as well as convenient maintenance to where you can come down, no appointment necessary for any oil change or tire rotation services. Also, for those longer extended repairs, we offer a complimentary loaner program so you can have another vehicle while we're working on yours. And then if it's just for the day and you want to drop it off, we can get you a ride to and from work with our great shuttle service. We would love to be your one-stop shop for all of your maintenance needs on your Mitsubishi. You can feel free to call us at our service department phone number or visit us online to schedule an appointment for yourself. We want to thank you all for being such loyal Mitsubishi customers and look forward to seeing you soon.